My name is Milka Dayaday, 29 years old, Balagtas, Bulacan. Ay motto, di bali ng lechon, wag lang hipot. Dahil sa lechon, walang tapon.
My name is Gail Zamora, 29, Mukhang 25, from Santol, Balagtas, Lubacan! And I believe in the saying, don't do to others what you don't want others do unto you! Number 6.
My name is Arlen De Mesa and I'm 21 years old and live in Santol, Balagtas, Bulacan. And my motto is believe in yourself and
¿Qué cambia?
never stop learning.
Palakpakan nyo naman. Candidate number 6. Before we announce the winners, palakpakan naman natin yung mga candidates natin. Sa palakpakan portion na tayo. On the music. Okay lang kayo ha. Pag tinawag natin, kayo na po magdidecide kung sino mananalo. First, palakpakan natin. Candidate number 1. Prayers. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for joining. Ha? Gusto lamang sa pera yung God bless. Okay, so top 2 tayo. Dahil nakapag-introduction na tayo para makapag-decide tayo sino mananalo, dadaanin natin sa talent portion. Number 5! Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Kailangan na po natin mag-decide ha. Isa lang ang mananalo. Again, palakpakan for candidate. Number 4 ng ating 7 girls. 7 girls. Sila Tita Lydia, Tita EJ, Tita Nat. Lydia. Okay. Tita EJ. EJ, picture first.